Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. No. Wait, stay. Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Today, we're going to be working on this 1996 Subaru... Oh, wrong car. Alright, I think this is the one. Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Today, we're going to be working on the C7... Oh, God damn. You know what? Come here. Welcome to the hangar. You're just coming with me now. How does Mike do this shit? Today on Hangar Hideout, we're going to be replacing this driver's seat for something a little bit lower to the ground. Because when I drag race, my head is like tilted like this, and it's not very comfortable. And I want to be comfortable when I drag race. So today, we're going to be replacing it with this Tillet carbon fiber seat. We're going to start by removing the seat bolts here. We'll have to remove the seat belt, tilt the seat forward to get the back bolts out. No big deal. But this is going to be a little tough with just one hand. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I might need some help. I don't understand how these vloggers and people on YouTube, they build cars with one hand and hold the camera with the other. I just don't get it. Like, I'm mechanically inclined. I need both hands. So as you can see, where we're gaining the benefit here is you see this height here, and I'll take you over to the Tillet.
Oh!
When'd you get here?
I've been here a lot longer than you know, dude.
You were unbelievable. I don't, like, you can just help me real quick?
You're doing a really good job, and I kind of wanted a little break. Hey, can you help me up? This is really hard to get out of.
Yeah, try to do it with one hand.
I'll just stay here. It's pretty comfortable.
We got the electric disconnected, all 4 bolts removed. Next, gotta remove it, remove the seatbelt, remove the seatbelt holster thing, whatever you want to call that, and put the new seat in.
Also, that clip is yellow, so that's an airbag. Just be safe, safety first.
So to get this plastic piece off, first I had to pull off this bolt right at the back. It's Torx, whatever size Torx is, you'll figure that out. And then there's a metal rod here that this hooks onto, and a metal rod here that this hooks onto. Once you get those off, you can slide it forward because there's a little clip here. A couple plugs and you're good. Now we're going to turn our attention to this bracket. These 4 bolts hold in this bracket, and these 4 bolts will hold the seat to this bracket. What we have to do now is bolt on this here seatbelt holster thing, whatever you want to call this, right here, and then we should be able to put the seat on, put it in the car.
Well said.
Alright, now that she's in, all we gotta do now is test it out, see how it feels. Wait. I wanted to test it out.
It feels good.
Well, I know it feels good, but I wanted to do it.
I think you're going to see an improvement in 60 foot times here.
I hope so.
We've come to that part once again. That's all we got for you. I hope you saw it's pretty simple to put in a new seat. It's like 8 bolts and quarter of the weight. It's amazing. Since you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really not that hard to do. It's just a button click away. And I would just so super appreciate it, and it really helps the channel out. I also want to thank you guys for hiding out.
Now, can you get out real quick so I can try this thing out?
Yes, you can. But now they can see me nothing new.
Wait! How am I supposed to test it out?
Fucking hurt my ass. Also, the air, damn it.